The electronic stability control system is a crucial safety feature that prevents your vehicle from skidding by automatically applying brakes to individual wheels and adjusting engine power. The ESC light on your dashboard illuminates when the system detects a fault, alerting you to potential issues with vehicle stability. The ESC light can activate due to various issues, including faulty sensors, low tire pressure, or problems with the anti-lock braking system that ESC relies on. Resetting the ESC light should only be done after identifying and addressing the underlying problem using an OBD2 scanner to diagnose any error codes. Resetting is appropriate if the error was a minor glitch, such as a battery disconnection or software bug. However, if the ESC light persists, it's crucial to seek professional diagnostics, as ESC failures can cause accidents. Remember, ignoring the ESC light can compromise your vehicle's safety. Always prioritize proper diagnosis and repairs. Let's start with Ford models like the F-150 and Explorer. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press and hold the brake pedal, and press the ESC button if equipped for 5 to 10 seconds. Then drive above 30 miles per hour to recalibrate the system. For Toyota models like the Camry and RAV4, cycle the ignition off and on 3 times, then start the engine. Use Toyota's TechStream software or an OBD2 tool to clear codes. For BMW models like the 3 Series and X5, enter the iDrive menu, navigate to Vehicle Status, then check Control and clear messages. For Chevrolet or GM models like the Silverado and Equinox, with the engine off, turn the ignition to on. Press the accelerator pedal to the floor 3 times within 5 seconds, then release. For Honda models like the Civic and CR-V, turn the ignition to on, press the brake pedal, and hold the VSA button for 10 seconds. Drive above 10 miles per hour to complete.